I don't know where I put it.
Nice. All right, guys.
Let's do this. Let's do this. Thank you, sir. I like this
Alright, what kind of terrorist puts my chair like this?
Oh, what? You're the terrorist. The blue document that says unit for differentiation conceptual.
That was the best joke ever written.
Can we sit in the semi-dark?
No.
I'm gonna fall asleep.
Yes.
Not in the semi-dark?
Yeah.
Right now, we're gonna get 30, freaking 60 ounces of caffeine.
I didn't even process that. I didn't have that much caffeine. I only had like, what's happening?
And then I drink the rest
16
of it
ounces.
in like 5 seconds.
60 ounces?
A bit of Monster.
Hey,
I
this
always
is not
have some
bad.
good.
We should be able to get through this whole
You
thing.
mean
I think.
milligrams
Hey, well, we'll see. All right.
of caffeine?
Oh, of soda.
Hey, guys.
Okay, that's different. 60,
So,
that much caffeine,
Unit four-
you're gone right now. Your heart's going.
Everybody, Unit 4 was right after we learned how to take derivatives, and then we were learning what to do with our derivatives, right? Okay, so check it out.
160 milligrams.
Blah, 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 blah. Just as...
160.
Well, that's a seizure in a bottle.
shh, guys. Just as like on the ACT, I told you a lot of times you do just read through until, and you don't really have to know exactly what it means, you know? Pressure, volume, C is a constant, right? Okay, now look, we've got some stuff it's giving me. The volume is decreasing at a rate of. What variable is that?
DVDT.
And it's
No,
decreasing.
it's almost like I taught you all that. See,
If
they
it's
remember
decreasing,
Shut up, I don't care what you say.
it's negative 10. And you guys, the inches per cube per second, the units will also help you figure out what it is, right? Because look, inches cubed is volume per second slash dt. The
Should I
dt
be
is
a
always
teacher when
that.
I grow up?
You should.
Shut up.
The pay is garbage, but the benefits are pretty good.
That's
All
why.
right.
Yeah, I get to hang out with dumb teenagers.
Yeah, hold on. I know exactly. Sometimes I get free drinks when I go to So Delicious, so there you go. How fast is the pressure increasing? Hey guys, how fast is the pressure increasing? What are we looking for?
The pipe.
I got that part
DP
without help.
equals question
I
mark.
literally taught y'all that.
We
When
weren't paying attention.
the pressure is 100 and the volume is 20.
I'm gonna make you
Now-
have to actually do your packets.
Okay, you guys ready? How do
I
we
should
take
get
the
better scores than
derivative
you.
of PV
I
equals
took
a
it out.
constant?
Exactly.
How do you guys take the derivative of that?
I literally showed them how.
Let me,
I'm
okay,
such a good teacher.
let me ask you a question. Is P a variable or a constant?
Variable.
Huh?
What about V?
Variable. Ew, I hate
Yeah,
products.
Constant.
You're just too big for
Product
brains.
rule.
Ugh.
Okay.
This is being recorded.
To the negative
Hi.
I'm sitting in the back. I can't do anything.
All right.
It's not that bad.
Again, everybody. Okay. So derivative of the first, second. First derivative of the second. And you guys, what's it going to equal?
0.
Right, because it's a constant.
Dang.
Derivative of a constant is
I
0.
wonder who got that equation.
Who knows?
Gallon.
Okay. dP dt is what we're looking for. The volume is 100. The pressure is, the volume is 20. Wait, when the pressure, the volume is 20.
Oh my gosh, I remember this.
I knew I bet cases.
It kind of sucks, to be honest.
Okay.
Bro, I rocked this question. Do I get like 10 extra points? 15
Totally.
class?
And then it's 100, and then it's dz dt, which was negative 10. Right?
The
So,
answer is C.
20
You wrong,
dBT
Dallin. The answer
minus
is
1,000, so equals 1,000. When I divide by
Eeny
20,
Meeny's law.
I
Meanie
get...
meenie must be wrong.
Eeny Meeny is never wrong.
Okay.
You are wrong. Crap, it was.
Okay, down,
I
down.
told you.
It doesn't matter if I break it.
Hey, down.
Gallon.
Shush.
Gallon.
All right. The diagonal of the rectangle. Diagonal is increasing
I
at
don't think
a
I can
rate
do it without
of.
just snapping it.
Okay?
Go up. If the answer's C,
Yeah.
okay, yeah, okay.
Okay, guys. Z increasing at a rate of. So what variable is that?
DZ
dz dt, and it's a positive 2. And boom. What rate is x increasing when? So what am I looking for? What rate is the length x increasing?
Wait,
So I'm looking
dx,
for
dx?
dx dt.
Oh, DT.
Okay, when x is 3, y is 4. Hey guys, first of all, 3, 4, what's that?
5.
3, 4, 5. Make sure you know your triples, specifically 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, and 5, 12, 13. Okay? Those are the most common.
Know those.
Too big.
Okay. Now, we need an equation relating these variables.
Well, if only it provided one. That would be cool.
Yeah, but it didn't, actually.
They gave us.
So do you guys have an equation relating x, y, and z?
X squared plus y
A
squared
squared
equals
plus
c
b
squared.
squared equals b squared.
And they're all variables, so I gotta do all of them. I gotta go 2x dx.
No, not that I actually feel like it.
2y dy dt is 2z.
Ah, wait.
Caffeine in this one.
Oh, you can sub in for just
Okay.
one. You can just sub in for.
Right, now look.
DT.
Okay, guys.
There you go.
I'm looking for dx dt. Stop. Okay, I'm looking for dx dt. X is 3. I don't know what that is.
Okay, we're good.
What's y?
Wait, hold on.
Y is 4.
3 DT.
Now, dy dt, I'm going to put this in for dy dt because then at least it'll just give me a single variable. So that's 3 dx dt. And then 2, z is 5, and dz
Why
dt
is
is 2.
Z5? Oh, Z is 5.
Yeah, so it's 3, 4, 5.
Wait.
Okay, so take a look at it. But now evidence of wiggles out. Alright.
Okay.
Any questions where I got all that
You
from?
lost your spot. You left.
6 dx dt plus 24 dx dt
Equals 20.
equals 20. 6 plus 24 is 30.
Wait. 4 times 2
DX
is not 24. Where did the 3 come
Why
from?
is DC DT?
Okay, hold on everybody.
He
Okay.
gave us an equation at the top.
dy dt is
Oh,
3 times dx dt. So dy dt is 3 dx dt. And then I had 2 dx dt's. Okay? And so if I divide both sides by 30, dx dt is 20 over 30 or 2
Hold
thirds.
your horses.
Alright? Yes,
How
Bob.
did you know that DC DT was 2?
The diagonal is increasing at a rate of 2 centimeters per second. So that was the problem.
It's C. I predict the next couple of months.
Okay.
Wait, go back up. Go back up. Now it's cheap.
Alright. Tangent line to the curve. Now you guys,
That means
whenever we
derivative.
see tangent line, what do we write?
No. I hate this.
Nope, these are easy.
These are
So,
easy.
Tangent line?
y minus
I
2
always do it wrong.
equals something x minus 1. Guys, the place that I get m is the derivative of this. Really easy
If you
derivative.
take it to the 1/2, just shove down a 1/2, negative 1/2, and then change it.
Now guys, I want to talk to you real quick about square roots, okay? I think it's faster to do it this way. Look. Guys.
Even I'm behaving.
Okay,
Pizza.
I talked to you guys about this real quick. When I take the derivative of this, because this is to the 1/2, it's 1/2 x to the negative 1/2. Because it comes up so much, are you okay if when it does, I just write 1 over 2 squared x?
Yes.
Is everybody okay with that? Because that x, the negative 1/2, is a square root on the bottom. Okay? So every time I'm taking the derivative of the square root, I'm going to just do 1 over 2 square root. So the derivative of x plus 3 is 1 over 2 square root x plus 3. Do I have to do chain rule?
Yes, but it's just
Yes, but it's just 1. That's right. Okay, good. All right, and now what am I plugging into that? What do I plug in? 1, because x is 1. 1 plus 3 is 4, square root of 4 is 2, 2 times 2 is 1/4.
Look at me.
Okay, Which of those numbers in there is the y-intercept?
When y equals 0.
None of them yet, right? How could I find the y-intercept? Yes, I would have to distribute the 1/4 and add the 2 over. Put it in slope-intercept form, right?
Yeah.
Or you could plug in x is 0 and it'll
So
give,
it's
give you y-intercept.
3/4.
Okay, so check it out.
3/4.
Okay, so y minus 2 is 1/4 x minus 1/4. Add the 2 over. Oh gosh, guys,
Is it
negative 1/4 plus 2.
7/4.
1 3/4.
Oh my gosh, why is
7/4.
7
yeah,
fourths.
Yes,
1 3/4.
I don't know why I said plus 1.
A. I told you it would be A.
I used the wrong fraction.
It's okay.
I did it right, just with the wrong fraction.
Okay, guys, we're always going to be talking about the things that we have to memorize, and I need you guys to memorize something. I need you to memorize what it means to be at rest.
0
Remember.
equals 0. When the
1
position
equals
equals
0.
0.
No,
The velocity equals 0.
velocity
That's so awesome.
equals 0.
Because I'm the teacher, I
You
know.
guys got to know that, okay? It's
I
not
eliminated
position equals 0,
one.
it's velocity equals 0.
Got it right.
Now this is the position equation. How do I find the velocity equation? Let's do it.
I'm so
Derivative of the top times the bottom.
What?
Oh, wait, this is,
Top derivative of the bottom.
you can already tell it's just going to be a 2. Oh, wait.
Bottom squared. Yeah, we had to derivatize that.
That's a little gross, but yeah, that's fine.
Did you square it?
Squared. I was checking my work.
It's getting a 1 on the
Apparently you needed it.
Totally, I did need it. Alright,
What? Ray, what did you say?
okay, hold on.
Where is Steven?
C squared plus 4
To this.
minus 2t squared.
Maybe once.
He is it right now.
And if he came, it's because I made him.
Okay, that's the velocity,
He
guys.
needs it.
When does the velocity equal 0? When does that equal 0? When does a fraction equal 0?
The bottom is 0.
On the top is 0. Undefined when the bottom is 0. The bottom can never be 0 anyways, but the top can, right?
I should be asleep.
Negative t squared is negative 4, t squared is 4, t is
I
plus
just
minus
walked in,
2.
guys. I just outside.
But we're going to make positive 2 because it's a time bigger than 0. So we're not going to pick the negative 1.
Oh, I'm gonna cry.
It's
All right.
2. It's D.
You guys can do this one. Ready?
Right after she already says it.
Okay, hold on.
How do you do them so fast? I'm like here doing them on my own, and then all of a
Like
sudden.
another teacher.
Wait, that was
Shut
the
up.
answer.
Okay, hold on.
Look.
X is decreasing at a rate of 3 units per second.
dx dt is negative.
dx dt negative 3.
Can this just be?
Can we just do this one?
Huh?
Yeah, that's fine. We can do this one.
The rate at which y is changing. What are you looking for?
dy
dt when y equals 2. Thus,
Okay, ready, set, go! Let's
wait,
do
does the
it.
squared apply to both of them, or does it
Nope.
apply to
It's
just the
x
y?
times y squared, just the y.
Got it. So a b prime plus a prime b is x to y.
The product rule, guys. Product rule
rule
is
is my
dx dt
favorite.
dy
Product
dt.
rule is just awesome.
Wow.
dx dt squared equals 0 because constants can kill themselves. What?
When y is 2. What is x?
A b prime plus a prime b.
Squared is 4 times.
Do you think it'll snow so much that we can't go home?
That would be so cool. What if we got trapped in...
I
would actually be
so
so
fun.
Then I might actually. For some reason.
Alright.
I always
None of us
wanted
would go to
to
sleep at all. We just be
If I had to
like,
be trapped with anyone, it would be...
raid the vending machine.
Yes.
Alright.
you can just kill yourself because I'm in here.
Well, I'd make you go sit.
Wait, I don't know how to convert a fraction to a decimal. It's 0.6.
I'll fail even more.
Okay, guys, ready?
D.
Derivative first.
The answer is
Like
D.
I said, I'll fail even more.
Just let the answer be D. This is my favorite unit, Mitchell. This is the one that I can actually pass.
That's facts. You didn't grade this test, did you?
No.
One of the tests you did grade, now's the one I got 100% on. Mainly because we checked afterwards.
And then once a week on this.
That's facts. You should stop grading tests. Yeah, you should.
I wish I could. I don't like any of this.
I'll grade them.
Hey, let me ask you guys a question. Hey, I filled all this in, but the one thing I couldn't find was
You plug
X.
in Y
Did you
to
guys
be a
find
equation. Yeah, you plug in y.
Yeah, if I plug in y here, I
X
can
is
figure it out,
5.
right?
X is 5.
Exactly. So look,
Oh, that's-
if I say
You are smart.
x times 2 squared is 20,
I got a
X is
38
five,
out of 40 on
and
my
that can
medical
go right.
anatomy quiz, and then took it again because I knew the right answers and got a 37.
okay? Check it out.
I did it.
Okay,
Oh, it was so bad.
4, that's
Oh, I gotta
negative
take that.
12.
Oh,
Yep.
What?
It's do it midnight, and it's really easy.
Are
It's
you
the same thing as the
gonna
tree
Times
quiz.
2 is 4. It's 20.
I'm gonna move on. No, I don't.
Okay,
want
so guys, dy dt is 12 over 20. Oh my goodness, how do I turn that into a decimal?
There was an LN thing on the
It's not a
ACT,
calculator
and I just,
question.
like,
Now, normally I would reduce it all the way, but because it's a decimal, I'm only going to reduce it to 10. So what's 12 over 20?
3/5.
6 over 10, 26.
I told you.
Dude, we actually don't need a calculator.
So you are smart.
I love limits to infinity.
Even when it's LN.
Yeah. Ln, if you see in ln and infinity, you know it's like.
Okay,
This one, big number.
I don't know, but I feel like we could maybe do low Vitalis because it's 0 over
No,
0.
but it's bigger on the top.
Infinity
Oh,
over
wait,
infinity.
actually no, because square root x's are.
ln squared? They both go like this.
Yeah, so it'd probably actually be a little bit on the bottom.
I'm going to low Vitalis this.
Actually, no, because 3 of the options are numbers, therefore you probably are going to do that.
Okay,
How do you
derivative of ln. 2 ln of x times 1 over x, right? Now that crap is ugly.
No, but it's
Write
not.
this
If you
good.
put infinity in x, then you know it's going to be times 0.
Whoa,
Alright,
why?
right.
General, right.
Slow your jets, kid. Alright.
No.
Okay, I'm gonna put let's not be crazy. 1 over 2 squared x. So that'll go on the bottom.
Times.
2 ln x will go on the bottom, and that x will go on the top.
Got it. That makes sense to me. So.
Yeah, that was L'Hopital, and then I just now. Guess what though? It's still infinity over
We take
infinity.
it again.
Yeah, I'm trying to L'Hopital this bad boy again, for sure. I
I don't like that.
am. Okay.
That's disgusting. Why would I want
Yeah, but that's kind of a
Wait,
grosser.
how did you say
The answer is 0.
Because if you have 2 small
Okay, hold
ones.
on.
Just kidding. I have no idea.
Okay.
It's probably
Now, hey guys, I can reduce this before I L'Hopital it, because if I L'Hopital this, I have to do a product roll on the bottom, which is
Oh yeah,
crappy.
because square root x
Can I
is 1
simplify
half.
that?
Square root x is 1/2.
Yeah, x to the first over x to the 1/2 is just x to the 1/2 on top.
And then 4. Oh yeah.
Oh, this is getting somewhere. This is getting somewhere.
Why'd you do the entire equation?
It's still infinity over infinity.
That it is.
Why did I do what?
Why'd you do the entire equation if ours bigger on the top?
This is a dumb question.
If the square on the bottom.
This question sparks joy.
Well, you're right. You could have.
If I don't do that quiz.
Probably, but let me just do my thing, man. So this is 1 over 2 square root x, and this is 4 over x, which can be written as 2 square root of x on the bottom, and then x over 4 on the top, and now the top is bigger than the bottom, right?
Is there an easier way to do this?
I don't know.
No.
Yeah, dude, the top is bigger than the bottom, so it goes to infinity.
Whoa,
I told you that at the very
wait. Hold
beginning.
on.
I'll take it.
I told you that you could
Yeah,
tell
hold
at the
on.
very beginning.
Henry, what do you think about that?
If
Think we're right?
if Henry
Emily, what do you think about it? I don't know, what do you think? Did we do that right? Square root of x
You put in the equation and you don't have to fill it in.
over
No, it's 0. I know because I graphed it.
ln of x squared.
How is bigger on the bottom?
I trust Henry too, so what did we do wrong?
He graphed it. That's what he did.
We could just grab it, right?
Didn't say we couldn't.
It's probably no count.
Yeah, it's
Okay, hold on.
Yeah, but if you know
Doesn't
what the
say you
graph
can't. You probably can.
Mitchell knows what the graph.
No, it usually, this is not a graphing one.
It's called loopholes.
This is not.
An even better option is to pay for someone else to take the test for you.
Henry, it doesn't go to 0.
Was that right?
No, it goes to infinity.
Yes! So you can technically solve it at the beginning, just knowing that ln is the dinkiest equation. It is, it's just weak. It just
Okay, fine, but what about ln squared? Is that also dinky?
dinky times dinky is dinky.
That's not true.
That is
Dinky
that
times
is-
dinky is dinky squared. Exactly.
Which is dinky times dinky, which is really just more dinky.
It definitely looks like it goes to 0, right? But look at this, guys. At some
It
point,
just runs out. doesn't it?
it goes back up again.
Oh, wait.
I know it does.
That is some bull.
Where?
Are you sure,
Are you sure?
No, I'm not. Hold on.
Dog,
I think so, though.
happen.
Yeah, it's going.
Okay. Can this make a table? I don't want to have to pull up my TI calculator. Okay, here we go.
It
Perfect.
looks like it's
Okay.
going to 0.
Guys, if you did this on your calculator and you put in bigger and bigger and bigger numbers, look, 10, okay, 100,
Look at that.
oh, getting
Stop with the
smaller.
anchors. Go 1
Okay,
million.
okay. And I was like, oh, it's getting smaller, and then I was like, uh-oh.
Now do 9s. Everyone knows if you want a big number, you got to do all 9s.
What about a 1 which is a whole bunch of zeros?
Do
Yeah, but
one
nine-
with a whole bunch of
What's
zeros.
happening is this is going to infinity.
What's happening is down.
It's going back up.
Because Down's the teacher. And he gets
Well, it is going back up. I just can't see it on here because it's doing it
Okay,
so
wait. So if the
effing
bottom is
slowly.
if the bottom is bigger,
What does effing stand for?
Shut up, Down.
You want to tell me? Because I don't know.
Effing.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Because I got it right.
Well, anyways, I can tell from the table, if not from the graph, right?
Therefore, Down's theorem number 2 states that dinky times dinky equals dinky.
Oh my gosh, you're...
Is that part of Stinkin's theorem?
I want
it
you
would be
to tell
dinky
this.
My first theorem
Alright,
is
but I think the only way to see that, Henry, is look at Thomas. What do you think?
Yeah, for sure.
Alright.
are you
Okay.
doing a BC test?
Listen up.
That
Let's
thing
go.
is a
Oh
way.
gosh.
It is not. So you have to be smarter than everybody.
It's okay.
Except
Hey guys, if this is a cube, what can you tell me about the sides?
Well, it's all.
They're all the same.
They're all the same. The edge is increasing at a rate of 0.2 inches per second, dx dt.
yes.
At the instant when the surface area is 150, what is the rate of the volume? This is a little tricky.
Wait, this is awesome.
Yeah, no. Surface area. Yeah, surface area is a little annoying. Can you guys tell me what's the surface area of this cube?
Surface is x squared.
It tells
The
us.
volume would be x to the third. The surface area
That's each side is x squared and it's 6 sides.
is 6x.
So it's 6x squared. Okay, so x squared is 25. So x is 5.
Checks out.
dx
checks out.
dt
Whoa,
and 5.
whoa.
Okay, anybody got a volume equation for me? Volume is
Side times side times side.
x cubed. Do it.
Oh, that's
Go.
a cube?
No.
Yes. That does
Yeah.
not look like a cube. That looks like a rectangle.
All right, go.
What's 5? 25, 75. I got it.
Whoa.
That's not an answer. Never
Slow
mind.
down.
Now, take the derivative with respect to time.
Oh, with respect to. I don't care about time.
Why do we respect time?
We
Wait.
don't.
Why do we respect any of
Wait,
these?
what's. I need a calculator?
Respect
Whoa,
no
this is a chunky calculator.
You do not need a calculator.
Whoa, I got it.
What's the matter?
Infinite brain power, bro. That's I use just like 200 mil to get one answer.
That's not an answer.
Is it gonna be like a massive test or just like?
See, sometime you guys teach
Equivalent to
it. I
the
got it right.
equivalent to the AP test.
That's what happened.
That is so awkward. What in the world?
Rachel's the same.
Go. Come on.
Don't you take the derivative of that?
Did I say hi to Mr. Henshaw? Hi, Mr. Henshaw.
Hi, Mr. Principal Man.
We're studying for the AP test, but Mr. Henshaw,
We're learning how to cook meth.
I might need a little bit more on that food budget that we talked about. Well, I know. Look at how many people I'm trying to feed.
Oh no, it's not. Can I have a piece?
Yes, sir. That's why I called you down. Absolutely. Now, yeah, we got to talk about that budget.
I'm not gonna steal your chair. I just
It
want
needs
steal
to be
one.
quintupled.
Yes, sir. I need a little
These
bit more
chairs
money.
ain't gonna fall.
Okay.
Yes. Then we eat.
Unless I throw them.
Don't you dare.
What did I tell you guys? Let's go. Hey, everybody give it up for Henshaw. Let's go. He says we can spend what we need. Next time is the lobster tail and sirloins, baby.
Can I get a chair? I need like a
phone and my calculator.
Can we get recliners? Zero. Couches up in here.
Can we get like a king size bed?
Hey guys. Hey guys. Dallin says he needs a calculator to do that.
No, Dallin.
Do you guys need a calculator to do that?
Dallin got the answer 5 minutes ago.
Yes.
25 times 3 is 75. No.
It's 0.2.
Let's say, dude, I don't want to multiply by 0.2. What could I multiply by?
1/5.
1/5 or 2/10 or something like that? That'd be so smart, right?
I just multiply by 0.2.
Yeah, divide by 10. That's what I was gonna do. I was gonna do 0.2 is 2/10. Divide by 10. Double it.
I don't like your attitude, Mitchell.
I mean,
I get the answer. I get the answer.
look, I already proved myself on the AP test. Now you gotta prove yourself on the AP test.
I'm gonna fail the AP test.
On the AP. All right, everybody.
I'm so ready for this.
Why is this?
This limits question, guys. You can do it by conjugates. Do you guys remember how to do conjugates from the very beginning?
Yeah.
I don't even know what that word means no more.
No,
If we don't want to do conjugates, what's another option?
L'Hopital.
L'Hopital. Can you guys please L'Hopital this? Let's go.
No way, Jose.
Wait. Remember this because this will help you. Okay? L'Hopital. Fast, fast, fast. Let's
Facts
go.
and will help me, bro.
I think I did something wrong. Just like the derivative of the top. Okay, so I did that. I got half x plus 3 over -1.
Wait, no way that worked that well.
Yeah,
The half is on the outside of x plus 3. It's not just the x.
Houston, we got a problem. That ain't no answer.
The answer is D.
I'll get one.
But boss, if we get snowed in, we're going until tomorrow morning, baby. We're gonna do calculus all night. Let's
Do that
go.
anyway. We should have a calculus sleepover.
Miss Mitchell, if that happens, I will cry.
24 hours sleep overnight before the AP test.
No.
Math will run on.
Yes.
I
all
will
that
have no
matters.
sleep. I will be screaming. I will be yelling at
Answer
Winston.
is
And I'm doing there for the first time in my life.
We could literally
Mitch,
just
the
get a
answer's
bunch of
D.
Mountain Dew and just
Yeah?
chug Mountain Dew.
Thank you, boss. Alright, goodbye, boss. Thank you, sir. Thanks for the food.
Thank you.
Can I do this?
Yeah.
Alright. Now when I plug in 1, guys, I get -1 over 2 times the square root of 4. I get -1/4.
So once you see that the derivative at the bottom is -x, you can tell that it's going to be 0.
You're right, you're right.
And we want to save time. We ain't got time.
Okay, ready? Okay. At the instant when the acceleration is 0.
Move your
So
butt.
second derivative.
So, second derivative, go. First, let's just go to that. I already know I have to do second derivative 0 because it says at that instant, and I need to know when that instant is. So the instant when that's 0.
I know who it is.
Ready, set, go.
Everyone knows who it is.
I have some sympathy with.
At the instant of the acceleration of the object's velocities. I don't
I'm
like
not behind.
this.
Yeah, you're the only one.
I'm just bad.
You're the
I
only
think I'm doing
one.
alright.
You're the only one.
Thank you. And I talk a lot.
Don't look at mine, do it by yourself.
No.
What are we doing?
Wait, hold on. Is this a quotient rule?
No.
I'm not doing it.
I think I might have gotten it. Probably not. But I might have.
Just I want you to find the time first.
Oh, find stuff?
I'm okay.
Well, I want to find at the instant when the acceleration is 0.
How did you get 2 over 9? T over
Okay.
9. I don't understand that.
So, alright, so let's talk about this. ln is 1 over t, right?
That part, yes.
Okay, 18 is a constant.
So it's 0.
So that, no, so it can stay as a constant, because if it's a constant multiplied or divided, it just stays there. And the derivative of t squared is 2t.
I actually got something.
It's like the same thing as thinking of it as like 1/18 t squared.
Okay, got it. So it's just 1 over t.
Which is t over 9.
Oh, yeah,
That's
We'll go. Okay, now, do the second derivative without looking at mine.
Alrighty, good.
Do the second derivative.
Solving
How do
this
you
is-
derivative 1 over t? Oh, you'll see.
1 plus 1, 9.
I'm stupid. Okay, I get it.
I'm stupid.
I'm dumb.
Next.
Can I bring this
How do you derive 1 over t? T to the negative 1. Negative t.
Goes to?
To the negative 2.
Then we plug
Okay.
this into the old one. So we got this
But it's just
plus.
constant. It's the same. It's like
Nick,
0, 118.
You guys remember negative 1 over t squared?
Thank you.
Yeah?
I'm not doing it.
Okay. T over 9, what's the derivative of that?
Well, how'd you get 2 over 9?
The derivative would be 1
Oh
9.
my
It's
freaking
1/9.
goodness.
Because
1/9.
constant.
Oh my goodness, how did you go from that to that? Oh my
Okay,
god.
okay, okay. Relax, relax, relax.
God, that's what I did.
Over
Okay.
t,
Now,
t to the negative 1.
hey guys, can you
Break it
solve
down.
this?
Negative
See?
is the first part, right?
Well, I don't know yet because this isn't going to give me the answer yet.
T over 9.
Because right now I just have to set these equal to each other.
Times 1/9.
I'm going to go ahead and move that one over because it's already a negative, so that makes more sense, right? 1 over t squared. Can you tell by now what it's going to be?
Minus 1 9.
Yeah, t squared is going to equal 9 if I cross multiply, plus or minus 3, but it's on the interval 1 to 5, so it's only 3. But wait, that's not an answer, because that's not what it's asking us. You always, on AP questions, same as ACT, you go back and you read the last few words. And this one says, the velocity is what? So at that time, what is the velocity?
2/3.
Let's plug it in. Yeah, so the velocity at 3 is 1 over 3 plus 3 over 9. So it's 1/3 plus 1/3, so that's 2/3.
Aha, got it.
Great. Do we love it?
I understand math.
solving for that.
No, yeah, we're done. Yeah, we had said at the instant when the acceleration is 0, so we had to find that instant. What is the velocity? So we had to plug it in to get velocity.
Okay.
Yeah. Is that good? Or this side? Yeah. there you go. My lighting's like all over the place.
Well, this is a weirdly phrased.
Max is here. Jada, I saw. Parker, I saw.
It's not here.
Why did it come? I read it.
Because he's hanging out with Anna.
Why don't they both come? They can hang out together. I don't care. Clementine's not here?
Oh, he's this
And then Connor's here. Aiden?
I feel like I know a lot of people.
Yeah, I'm working.
Do you know?
Wait, who are you upset at for not?
Oh,
I
Jack.
don't know anybody.
Jack and Aiden. Where's Aiden? Oh, I didn't know he was coming. Dang it.
Daniel.
Charlie's here.
But I never like hang out with people so much or anything, so I.
Where's Nathan?
He's dead.
Gosh, dang it.
I know most of the people. There's just a couple where I'm like, I've seen you around. I just don't know your
Get on. No one's here.
Square units would mean units.
Okay, yeah.
Wait, if you're doing.
Yeah, alright, so I like it. It's working for me. Oh!
I'm using it now.
So plus minus 3.
Whoa!
That's a really weird phrase.
Like my water.
Guys, remember that these are all old AP questions, so it's like, what the heck? Alright. When the area is
Wait, can I
increasing.
try doing it?
Yeah, but hang on one sec.
Area
Okay.
x squared.
Was the area increasing at a rate of the ABT?
I have the first. How has it even gone on?
3 times as fast as its side. And it's a square. What do you want to call the side?
S.
X, S, doesn't
X.
matter.
It has to be x.
Wait, why didn't you put it? No, S.
I don't care. Okay?
Oh, x is the universal variable.
Yeah, but it's confusing.
I feel like this is a thinking question. Yes, go, think. Think, children, think.
We need another equation on the raising up.
When the area is increasing 3 times as fast as the side, what's the side?
Wait, why is it DSDT? Ugh.
Because that's how fast it's increasing. It's not just what
Then
the
you
side
said
is.
S squared equals A, and then you did the derivative of that.
3 hours.
Hey guys, there's a statement it didn't give us.
16.5 hours from when I left.
Annabelle, you're out.
S squared equals
Okay,
A.
buddy.
The area is x.
S squared.
The area, you know what use
S
S.
squared. It sounds the same as
Is there an S button on your
Okay, ready, set, go. See if you guys can figure it out.
Do I want to?
I don't care.
Sure, I'm gonna do it. D-A-G-T-A-M.
Because I woke up.
2SDS.
So sub this sucker in for 3.
Brock, what's up, Brock? I saw Gabe. Where'd he go? You just want to go get something?
Divide both sides by this. 3x. Divide by 2.
Catherine's here.
It's 3x.
Wyatt's
I remember how to get math. That's crazy.
Emily's here.
Test scores don't say I do.
Because I fall asleep really early, but I wake up early. I guess I don't know how hard this is.
Lydia's here.
Crazy.
Emily's
Stay up really late and get up there.
Nicole's here. Hartford.
What's the reason when I said Ben's
Anika's here.
Were you the one who deleted when I said Ben's
Rena's here. Zachary is not here.
It's
Okay.
coming. It's coming.
Alright, fair enough.
Yes.
Hey guys, let's.
Octavius the third.
Ready?
You guys have a spreadsheet so you're going to ask me answers.
Does the ADT equals 2x dx
Because I
dt?
can see who
Crazy. What's the
Okay.
to Ben's mom tea?
Now, this says the ADT, this says the ADT, so what do you think we can do?
Multiply it by 3 or whatever.
Not really. Set those equal to each other?
That's what I meant.
There is no downside.
Oh no, because if you forget a girl.
The downside is I mess around on it.
Okay, look. You normally can't do this, but I can cross off of the xdt from both sides. So, if, shady math, if d 3 equals 2x,
3
x
halves
is...
done, B done.
It's not like we can only ask.
Wait, I'm lost.
You weren't paying
We're
attention.
talking. Alright,
No.
Roby dolls on the next one. Do it.
Why did you just get rid of it?
How do what are we doing?
It is shady math. I don't know what
I can't
Divide
look
both
at
sides by it.
Because right now I can divide both sides by something. If I'm trying to solve for x, I can divide both sides by
See, that's what I said, so I'm the teacher.
That doesn't make you the teacher.
guys, do Lofi dolls. Let's go.
I love Lofi. Just kidding. That was a joke.
I
We
love
got
sight
it?
reading.
Yeah, that's a chill actually. Because we know there's just going to be a 1 on the bottom.
Okay, Andrew's here.
What's the derivative of that crap? Well, it'll be like -1.
Aubrey's here.
So I don't really got to know. It's probably not this.
Not the answer.
Carolyn, where's Lena Hart? She's gonna come today? Bummer. Ben is here. Down is here. Garrett's here. Landon's here. Abby's here. Ray is here. Jacob Megan. Abby Star is here. Carolyn. Saw Isaac. Maddie. Okay. Cool.
And somehow I got to.
Hey guys, listen up. It is 0 over 0, so I'm gonna do Loki dolls, right?
And I somehow got
That should tell me west.
Oh, actually, it's
Would the derivative of this be -1 x minus 1 to the -2?
Yes.
And that goes away?
then I made -2.
And then that's over 1. So I don't really need to use that.
Oh, so
So now, limit as x goes to 0 is -1 over -1 squared? -1?
This is another one of those
See,
things where if
Miss
you can
Mitchell, Allie
recognize the
got that a while
derivative.
ago, and I got -1/2.
Okay. Guys, this one has words, so I have to think for a minute, so shush. Okay,
Wait, what was the answer?
it has words.
Draw.
One ship, well, it's giving me a chart. So I don't know what happened.
You can draw shit.
What about my rate?
One ship,
Derivative of the top.
ship W, west.
Top times the bottom. That's just going to be 0.
Ellen, did you run the picture of the boat this morning?
First, I mean the top times the derivative.
Was it a good picture or was it bad?
It was so good. Best art ever.
Do you still have it?
No, I crumpled it up.
Okay, down.
That's blurry.
Unless you're commenting on my lighthouse, zip it. Alright.
Mitchell, you gotta.
No, we're not getting out the ping pong balls. 0 ping pong balls. Alright, no,
Oh yeah, last time when you were
It was
here.
on a whole gosh, you just picked it out of the way.
That's a really good line.
Good job, Mitchell.
That is some of your best artwork, Miss Mitchell.
Thank you.
Mitchell.
The graphs are shown below. Fine. At what rate is the distance between them changing? Can I call that distance?
Distance and a squared plus b squared equals c.
So am I looking for d dt, which is weird, but whatever.
I am not.
Okay.
I'm too.
That's what I said.
W squared plus s squared is d squared. 2w dw dt.
It's DPD.
I think I've
2s.
had one where I've been failed.
When?
So I can't do the rest.
No.
Miss Mitchell, I've just learned that I failed the second unit and I have not been able to do anything since.
2d dd dt.
Go back.
No, I wouldn't be surprised. I kind of did.
Now, you guys. Hey, guys, shut it. At time equals 1, what is the distance for that boat?
5.
5.
The only person who hasn't nailed everything completely.
What is the rate for that boat?
B.
It's
Just
What's a rate?
Zach's favorite.
A rate's a derivative. What's a derivative?
it's
A derivative is a slope.
it's 2.
Up 1 over 2. So it's got a rate of 1/2.
Yes. Okay.
Okay? For boat S at time 1, its distance is
It's just 1.
4.
What's 5?
And its rate is 1.
So D is 3.
And D is what?
3.
That's what I thought you were going to say. Nope.
It's 7.
3, 4, 5, but this is the right angle.
Oh yeah. I'm
It's
dumb.
the square root of 25 plus 16.
Which is 30
Like, put
something.
them together.
Wait, can you read
49, so it's
Can you show me what's actually happening here?
I'm
No.
wondering if there's a calculator question.
I barely know.
Oh, and we're approximating, guys. This is probably a calculator question. Anyways, if I do a squared plus b squared, 25 plus 16 is 41. That's the square root of 41. Now, are we going to lose our minds if I just take a 2 off of everything on here?
Yes.
We
No, you're
are.
fine.
No.
I mean, it's just a 2 on everything,
But these are
right?
5 halves, so I don't want to think about 5
Pull all the
halves.
letters out.
Yeah, so like, it's. Oh, you're right. We do have a half. All right, let's leave the 2. That's fine.
Lame-o.
2, 5, a half. And then
You guys are better friends.
2, 4, 1. And then 2 square root 41 dd.
But the 2 and the 1/2 kill each other.
Yes.
Okay, so 8, 5, so it's 13.
The car 8 miles per hour down.
So it's 13 over 2 root 41. Okay, so 13 divided by parentheses 2
Oh, knots is
root
nautical
41.
miles per
It's
hour?
1 knot. Wow, that.
Oh, I didn't know that's what it stood for. Huh? That's great.
Nautical miles per hour, not.
Can you
Oh,
explain
so they're just
all of
like
that?
lazy.
So it's just miles per hour, but
Why is it spelled
Nautical
that way?
miles.
If it's a shortening for nautical miles, it should be in a UT. No.
Alright, what do you guys, are we good? Can we keep going? Okay.
No, I'm not good with that one.
Alright, well, mark it, I'll go over with you later. Okay,
That's like an artist.
okay.
You should.
Alright guys, let's have quiet. Okay. Particle moves along coordinate x, so its distance from the origin is given by, boom. The first time interval in which the point is moving to the right. Hey guys, translate that for me in terms of position, velocity, or acceleration. What does moving to the right mean?
Positive velocity.
Velocity is positive, that's correct. Okay?
Question. One knot.
Pause.
Moving to the right is positive, moving to the left is negative. It's an up-down particle, moving up is positive, moving down is negative. So how can I tell where velocity is positive? Well, let's take the derivative of this. Oh, you guys are gonna suck at this because you suck at trig stuff.
I do something.
You don't
You're welcome.
call us out like that, bro.
Am I wrong?
No.
Where did I make the mistake? No, I'm not
Negative
wrong.
sign.
Oh.
Okay, so can we just call this -3 cosine squared sine
Times sine.
equals 0? Okay? Time bigger than 0. All right. So guys, for my sine line graph, okay, hang on. For my sine line graph, actually, time is bigger than 0, and then it's everything up. So it's like a sine line It's like a sine ray graph is what it
Wait,
is.
are we plugging in 0 for
It's a
this?
sine ray
Can you just
graph.
move the
Alright,
negative from the sign to the front?
yes. Okay. Yay! Alright. Guys, the zero property of multiplication says if I'm multiplying two things and they make 0, then either that one has to equal 0 or that one has to equal 0.
I'm pretty sure
Right?
it's the sign.
Both actually. Okay. Starting in the positive quadrant, can you guys tell me what's the first time that cosine is 0? When does cosine equal 0?
Pi
Pi over 2?
2. Yeah.
3 pi over 2?
Yeah.
Great. What's the first time sine is 0?
Wait, I missed
That
all
would be
of
0.
that.
0?
2 pi, 3
Pi.
pi, 4 pi.
Okay. So, hang on.
Exactly.
Pi over 2, pi, 3 pi over 2, and it keeps going, correct?
Yep.
Okay, now,
You're gonna
what do we
distract
do
me.
next when we do sine line graphs? You guys, I know it's trig, I know it's weird, but it's sine line graphs. What do we do next? We do a test point. Pi over 4 is a great test point. Now, think about this real quick. Anything I pick in there is in the first quadrant, right?
Me too.
Now, first of all, would you guys agree with me that cosine squared is always going to be
Of course,
positive?
it's true.
Yeah.
Fair enough. Negative 3 is always going to be negative.
Yeah.
What is sine in the first quadrant?
0.
Positive.
Oh, that's what I meant.
So the sine line graph is negative. I wrote it in the wrong spot. I was being tricky. Okay,
No, this one leads.
this is the second quadrant. What is sine in the second quadrant?
Tiffany.
Sine in the second quadrant is positive, so it's
I missed how did we
negative.
get pi over 2?
What is sine
Because
in
that's
the
when cosine is
third
equal to 0 in the
quadrant?
positive
What's
quadrant.
It's negative in the third.
Because it does.
Negative,
Sine
which
line
means
graph.
this goes to positive. The first interval where it's moving to the right is that one.
Yeah, I changed.
Raina, are you good with where I got the pi over 2?
Nope.
Okay, when I set this equal to 0, it's just like when we set something factored equal to 0. Either that has to equal 0 or that has to equal 0, right?
Yeah.
From my unit circle, I know that cosine equals 0 at pi over 2.
That's the same for
and 3
cosine
pi.
squared?
Yeah.
Okay.
Why did it become
10 points
negative
of extra
3?
credit?
Yeah.
Wait, Miss Mitchell, why did it become negative 3?
Same thing.
Because 3 is negative. It's going to make everything negative whenever I test anything. 3 is negative.
I have a 98.
Why is 3 negative? Wait, Kujini, why is 3 negative? Because in the front it says it's 3 and then it suddenly became negative.
So you do have to do both of them.
Yeah.
Miss Mitchell,
Yes.
Miss Mitchell, the 3 in the velocity is positive and now it suddenly became negative.
This is the
I don't
highest grade I've
understand.
ever had in English.
3, because look, this sign right here,
Oh,
Add
you
negative in
moved,
front
you
and then
moved to the negative. I didn't see that.
Okay.
Thank you.
okay, moving on.
That needed one more term before I
I don't understand. I've gotten how like
Okay,
To make a gang.
guys, listen up.
Is that Isaac?
Then we join our gang.
Y increases at a constant rate of 5 units per second. What is
Join our
that?
gang?
dy dt.
I do.
X is pi over 2. Hey guys, do we need to call it a day? Are we
in
done?
English?
Dallin,
An extra credit for
Dallin,
thing.
The quiz?
Way
Down.
long, both.
should we call it a day? Are we done?
Yes.
No, we still have an hour left.
Right, but I can't keep talking over you
I
guys.
haven't
It's
done
driving me
anything a lot
crazy.
better than half the class.
Okay,
I'm
I would
crashing.
say that.
dy dt is 5.
Wait,
X is pi over 2. Let's go ahead and take the derivative of this, yeah? Thank you. dy dt is 2e to the cosine x. And what's the derivative of cosine x?
I don't think.
Negative sine x. Okay. When x is pi over 2, dy dt is 5. Oh, dx dt. I almost forgot my dx dt. Gosh dang it. Okay? That was embarrassing for me, but I got it.
I dress like I could be a
Is this
dress.
calculator?
Nope, definitely not.
I do dress like a
So it's cosine pi over 2 and negative sine pi over 2.
Yeah.
So once again, Maddie,
I'm wearing all black.
once again, you gotta know cosine pi over 2, sine
How
pi
many
over 2.
dx
You gotta know
do
those.
you have that?
What is the cosine of pi over 2?
Wait, why
E to the
5?
0 is 1, so that's...
5 equals 2, e to the 0, negative 1, dx dt. Right?
We
Wait,
just have negative.
wait, hold
So
on.
5 equals
Writing in the
Negative
spreadsheet.
negative 2 dx dt. So what's dx
People
dt?
actually use
Negative
spreadsheets.
Negative 5 over 2.
That's how I check.
Great.
I just use my bank account. dude.
Hey guys, is the next question L'Hopital's?
Hold on, wait a second.
Yes,
I feel like it is.
probably.
I feel like I missed
What's
it.
cosine?
Probably, but we should probably check just in case.
No, because
5
cosine of
equals
0.
negative
1 plus 1 minus 2.
Not quite sure. It has to be given.
1 minus 1. It's L'Hopital's. Go, do it. You guys are going to get every L'Hopital question right on the AP test, yes?
Definitely.
Let's get it.
Not. E to the
All right,
x
do
is
it.
E to the x minus e to the x. So screw those.
Done.
Hey, you know, I can't get them wrong if I don't do that, right?
Come on, come on, come on. No, those don't cancel out, bro.
I can't get it wrong if I don't do it, right?
Yeah,
I
so the
forgot how to
x's would
math.
cancel out on top. So really, we'd have e to 0, which is just 1.
Is
1,
negative sign.
It's negative sign.
over
Negative.
I'm pretty sure sine of 0.
Yeah.
That's 1.
So guys, I did L'Hopital's and I plugged it back in, and guess what?
Please tell me it's still 0 over 0.
It's still 0 over 0. So guess what we get to do?
Ah, great.
L'Hopital again from here.
I don't like it.
Hey guys, when it's a multiple choice question, I don't have to be very careful in telling the graders what I'm doing because they don't look at the work for multiple choice. If this was an FRQ, I would have to show what I'm doing. I would have to say, you know, by L'Hopital's or because it's 0 over 0 or whatever. Okay? Minus plus e to the negative x
Now it's over 1.
over cosine
1
x.
plus. Wait.
When I go to plug in,
Dude, don't
0.
It would be 1. It's just
Oh my
1.
gosh.
It's all just 1. It's
Okay, hold on.
No, but it's
What's e to the 0?
I am.
1 plus 1 over 1.
She asks for
No, that's 2. They went on an app.
Alright.
Oh, it's 2! Dang it.
Okay, guys.
I did 1 plus 1 over 1, and I got 2.
I'm not allowed to say it.
Zach, do you want to join our game?
The 0 is 1, so it's B.
Our game.
Yeah, we have it.
Why is it D?
Questions in it?
Yeah?
Oh, because it's 2 over 1.
I'm already part
That's really
of
off.
two cults,
Okay.
so
Guys, hold on. Are you talking about my first L'Hopital?
I'm really
Or my
losing my
second?
way.
Okay. Guys. So, e to the x. And then this is e to the negative x times negative 1. And then constants go away. So that made that a negative.
Did we do
Chain roll. Chain roll on the second one because it was an e to the negative x. Chain roll.
But did he seriously?
And then from here, Daddy, shut it. Okay. E to the negative x times negative 1. So it goes
Are
back
you?
again.
Is she though?
class E?
Correct.
I paid
So
more
it's e to
attention.
the x plus e to the negative x.
So why is it E
I'm
minus
on you, Abby.
on the next one?
Well, on this first one, because I plug in 0, e to the 0 minus e to the 0. But on this one, it was e to the 0 plus e to the 0. Okay?
Okay, sweet thanks.
I was gonna say, why do you know where I live? You sh-
This is a real interesting question, you guys. I'm going to call this a 5 question.
I just.
Right?
It's
If I
just
get
one.
it
Is
right.
I
this the
think everybody can probably set it up, so set it up.
y minus y1 equals.
Yeah.
Yes.
Tangent line approximations. And I can set up a tangent line. It just took me a second to be like, what am I trying to find here?
Yeah.
Y minus y1.
How do you find a 0 of x? And why is that 5?
Now this is different than every type of question we've had before. Before, it has always said to us, hey, approximate it when x is 4.1 or something. This is not saying that.
Yeah, what are we supposed to do?
That is what took me a second. Okay, guys? What are we supposed to do?
I was trying to make a group thing and then all the said.
Okay, hold on.
I got everything.
Approximate a 0. What is a 0?
That is so cute.
A zero of a function is also known as an x-intercept or a solution
So we need to solve for a 0 using our.
when y is 0.
Alright, so we had 0
Oh, look.
minus 1.
Wait, hold
So we just have -1 equals.
Yeah, so this was tricky because instead of plugging for x, we're plugging it for y. I hadn't seen one like that before, okay?
So it'll be negative.
Wait, so what are we trying to do?
So instead of plugging in an approximation for x, we're plugging in an approximation for y because we want to find a 0, and a 0 is the x-intercept when it crosses the the x-axis.
Wait, so are we solving for x or such that y 0?
Plug in 0, solve for x.
What's it made me say? Beautiful man.
Why?
He made me lie.
So 5x is 9. Ooh, I don't want to do it that way. I hate
Answer
that.
is A.
No.
It's what did you?
-1 is 5x minus 4 divided by 5. -0.2 is x minus 4. So it's 4 minus 0.2. 3.8. Yeah, it's not that bad.
Wait, so are we solving for x?
On this one, yes.
Okay.
That's why it was tricky. Now, very similar question, except for this is one that we usually see where it gives us that estimate. Now guys, in this question, it doesn't say tangent line anywhere. You just have to know it's a tangent line because it's a linear approximation. And you're going to set up the tangent line with this, and then you guys, we're going to plug in
Is
that
it
for
3.8?
x. So this is a more, yes, this is a more straightforward one that usually asks it to us like that, okay? It usually does. Do it. I can't do it in my head.
You're literally like the math lord.
I'm taking this home so I don't have to make
Behind by like a second.
Excuse me, excuse me.
I'm realizing
Yeah?
now that
I feel like that's my payment for my time to be here.
So fair. There's no swords in the boxes. Oh,
Yeah.
Wait,
Good what?
hi to the people watching, all 0 of them. I'm still mad.
No, but there's a drink fountain out there. I've got cups.
D, I'm done.
In the cabinet, the far back cabinet, or right there.
head, Mitchell.
Well, fine, but I don't want to.
wait, what is moving to the right means just to this?
Answer is 4.2.
What was his name?
It's what? 5.2.
Jamarcus. Richard, do you want to see our snowman we made instead of playing tennis yesterday? Jamarcus Eugene Williams. He got shot up last night.
Never mind. I should do this
Yes. That's fun though. 5 minus 0.8, 4.2. Are we all in agreement on that?
I was right.
Yeah. I actually
Dang.
got
Oh,
one right.
My guessing skills.
Okay.
It's a good snowman.
Mitchell, you're right.
You guys doing your heads in it wrong. Don't do it in your head. Okay.
There's so much pencil on my leg.
Guys, ready?
Because you have a pencil in your
Down.
hand.
Ready?
I am always ready.
That's
Guys, what does moving to the right mean?
velocity is positive.
Velocity positive. Now, you are going to have to do a product rule right here. I'm sorry, you just are. Okay?
Wait, but that's actually kind of shows the product rule. Oh no, I did it correctly on here. I forgot the name.
Hey guys, what kind of question is the next one? What we
For some
call?
reason, I thought you had an apple.
Do those two in the amount of time it takes me to run to the bathroom and come right back. Okay?
No, I don't want to.
Yes, do
I
it.
do.
Do
You
both of
didn't
them.
have an apple, but I just
can do neither in that time.
You know what? I can.
I can do it a lot faster than they can do that.
Put in my resignation and you're on sale.
This but it doesn't have sugar.
I'll drop out if you resign.
I'd probably get a better grade.
She's the only one who get a 5 anyway. Yeah.
Jacob.
Okay, Jacob too.
Zach.
I don't know. Would
Yeah, but
Jacob
you have to
actually
learn
be able to
sequences of
move
series on
faster?
your own.
It doesn't taste.
With no extra knowledge
If
right now,
Jacob doesn't
unless Zach wants to go learn
check all
Taylor
of his
series.
answers 5 times, then he can get a 5. If he does,
Jacob is too smart for the AP test though.
Yeah,
Because he like uses so like complex of theorems that aren't even into the content we cover. He uses it on his
why I
Digger
did better
equations and he gets them wrong because he's too smart.
Exactly.
He knows too much.
Yeah.
That's me, but with like third grade
This is
now.
common.
Like
Motor
you
skills.
pop it up and push it out from the bottom.
I don't know.
Do you think you're gonna be a better teacher than me?
I think so.
I mean, everything I taught you guys happened to be right.
No. Big D. Wait, what's the answer to you? Okay, so you were wrong.
Teeny's law is mostly.
Eenies? No.
D was really close to it.
Teeny's law is like
That's so?
It's right next to it.
That's how that works.
Zach, you can back me up, right? Right?
Eenies law.
Right?
Eenies law is not accurate.
You don't ask questions, you say yes. When I say Zach, back me up, like a real homie, you say yeah, man.
what law?
Eenies law.
Eenies law. Like,
Oh yeah, that's not accurate at all.
Zach. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. We know. It doesn't get more
No,
accurate.
let me eat my aluminum.
He's not. You don't need any more iron.
Oh wait, no, I see your argument.
See? Yeah,
Exactly.
thanks, man. What a G. What a homie.
I got it.
What a homie.
The easy law. That's
Yeah,
it.
Zach would know.
Abby,
Zach's just that smart. He knows. I'm so proud of you, man. I'm a proud father right now. Such a proud father. Bro, I actually had a go with theorem. We were talking about like having sign on the bottom, and I determined that if you have any closed system on the bottom, that's always my approach to fitting, right? Infinity. That's kind of whack, so we're gonna do some like cancel out
0
there.
plus 6. 6 divided by 3 is 2, so t equals 2.
Oh, I get it. Yeah.
I mean, maybe. Wait, do you know what? That actually checks out. You just use it as a symbol.
It's just 2.
Must be one minus
So for 1.
It doesn't matter now.
I don't know what to do.
That works.
But when you have to multiply it, is that the two?
Negative 1.
give me a second.
Because then we'd assume it's multiplication. And therefore you can cross out the 2's from everything.
Stella, we need to draft up a proof for Stephen's theorem. The full-fledged.
Put Stephen's theorem on her iPad.
That's not an answer!
Actually, no.
I did it!
Yeah, that checks out. That's right. Checks out.
Not an
Mitchell, we proved
answer.
Stephen's theorem to be true.
I'll pay you in
Does t equal 2?
No, you got rid of the sequence.
I'm trying to help you.
Yeah, hold on.
I literally said that
Derivative first,
Did I just do 3 times 2 wrong?
times the second.
Sucker's always going to be.
Oh, I'm just dumb. That's what it is.
Guys, listen up. When you're doing a product rule with something like this, and you're trying to set that equal to 0, every single time, you need to factor out what it has in common. Did you guys do that?
I didn't even.
You're not going to be able to get the zeros unless you do that.
Do
Okay?
you not do. Oh, you don't. That's
Nope.
really
So,
awkward.
what can I factor out from both of these?
No, Mitchell, there's a better way to do it.
Yeah, T minus
I found a
2.
better
2
way.
T minus 2.
Alright, well, hold on. And I'm left with 3t minus 6 plus t minus 2. Right? So this is going to equal t minus 2 squared, and then it's 3t minus 18 plus t minus 2. Right? So this is 4t minus 20. Did you get that?
I didn't need to.
No.
Did you get your intercepts at 0 and 5?
Oh my gosh.
I did it.
Wait, slow down.
You finished.
She never had to take these tests.
See you, Ben.
Hey, Ben.
Bye, Benjamin.
Okay, you guys see that every time you have like 2 polynomials and you do a product rule and it's all big and messy, you guys understand why I can't set it equal to 0 from here, from this step?
Yeah.
Because there's a plus right there. So it doesn't work that way. It has to be things multiplied to be able to set them both to 0. So I factored that out. You could. Yeah, but you don't know what the rest is.
I feel like I did
So I
something.
factored that out, and I got 3t minus 6, and I still had a t minus 2. That was 3t minus 18, t minus 2. That's 4t minus 20. So my critical points are 2 and 5. Now, we do still have to test. Don't just go,
I
oh,
did
2 and 5, which you can't even, there's not even an option for 2 and 5, so whatever.
1 minus 2 is
Okay,
-1.
so now we test into the derivative, but that's squared. Are we okay if I say that's always positive?
Yeah.
Because I don't really need to test that. Okay, 0, if I test, well, 1, if I test 1.
Wait. I thought you tested into the original.
Nope, you always test it into the derivative. The original is where you go back to get the original coordinate if you need to. Between 2 and 5, let's test 3. 12 minus 20 is negative, positive. So where is the particle moving to the right? Only where it's bigger than 5.
Or.
Did you get that?
No.
It was.
Oh.
Did you actually?
My bold guess
I
was.
needed,
No,
to,
you
I needed to test
didn't.
another point. I instead I just looked at that one. I'm like, that's good. That
Hold
one's
on down.
positive.
If you did your shortcut and you did that, what would have happened on the AP test?
Well, I needed to test
You
another
would have got it
point.
wrong.
I needed to test another point. That's why I got it, and then I was satisfied with my answer.
Oh, okay. All right, that's a L'Hopital. This should be like easy. That's because in your sleep by now. Derivative of cosine is negative sine. This is 4 sine cosine.
Why are they all looking
Why? Okay, I think I'm tired now.
Oh, I gotta do L'Hopitals again, but no,
Okay,
actually I
have
don't have to
sugar-free
do it. I
Fanta.
just crossed out the sign. Oh.
See, caffeine doesn't help. Whoever said that
It's,
caffeine
I
would
said,
keep me awake,
have
it's not keeping
sugar-free
me awake.
Fanta.
When I plug in 0,
Caffeine did
I
not
will
keep me
get
awake and
1
put me to
4.
sleep.
This doesn't have
I'm
caffeine.
sorry.
This doesn't
No,
have
I had
anything.
caffeine.
Okay,
That means you didn't get
now,
enough.
What you need to do is
I
just
had
drink
enough
enough
caffeine.
caffeine.
I really want to do this one too. Now,
No, you had half of it.
particle moves along the x-axis, blah, blah, blah. Real quick, check this out.
There's nothing in here.
Velocity increasing. Guys,
Acceleration.
am I going to make a sine line graph for velocity?
Acceleration. Oh.
No, acceleration has to be positive. So I got to make a sine line graph for acceleration. Now, I want you guys to do this.
I can do it.
With the trick I just showed you, with the factoring out and stuff, get that to acceleration. Okay? With the trick I just showed you about how to do derivatives and factor that thing out, get it to acceleration.
Because I did shady math and didn't pay attention to that.
Crush it or anything before you.
You know what? I'll just do this the slow way.
Just do a product rule, what I'm saying, just simplify it before you do another product rule.
Yeah.
So the
T minus 1, T minus 3.
Wait. I don't want to try it.
Where here? Oh, this is a chunky equation.
Derivative first, second.
Are you discriminating against this equation?
wait, huh? I did something wrong.
Take a bite out of it.
Miss Mitchell, I did the derivative project. I need to.
Okay,
Take the bite out.
You bit it?
Great.
Who was that? Was it you?
how
He
is it
took an
not
actual
fun?
bite
Oh,
out.
that's what I was gonna do. Take it at 2. Yeah.
You know, it's Judy Gerber vibes from Percy Jackson. Yeah. Why? Percy Jackson.
Cannot hug my teeth worse than I
Oh, and then you get 4t plus 1 times
You have to break the
this
metal.
thing.
To break the metal.
T minus 3, you can factor it out.
T minus 3 seconds. T minus 2 seconds.
I don't like T's. Because T's. Oh, wait. Why?
Because T's look like plus signs, so you capitalize the T's because it comes with a plus sign.
That's nice. Never mind. I like
Abby,
this
you
stuff.
messed me up.
Good, derivative second. Now, this one, I'm going to factor out a 2 with it.
I'm trying to like rip it out. I'm definitely gonna cut it.
Oh, it's a 3.
How did you do it?
That's 4T.
Actually, I could factor out a 4.
Oh,
Wow.
that's magical. Okay, so the derivative of the first is 2 times T minus 2 times the second plus the first times the derivative of the second.
Actually, you know what? Don't show me. Praise me for how funny.
I hate this.
I don't care if
No, don't hate it.
Something that's funny. And
No,
that
no,
is
I
my
was right.
edible in life.
Times 4.
Yeah, shut up.
Okay, I simplified it.
No, wait.
Not that much though.
Who the heck screenshotted my B-reel?
The T minus 1 stays left in there. So like right here, what I did was I
Wait,
factored
is it
out 2
abs?
of those and both of those. So I factored that out.
Screenshot your
And
B-reel,
then I did
Alan.
the 3T minus 2.
Daniel, Dylan's B-reels are lame. He doesn't even put himself in there.
You screenshot my B-reel.
Down. Shut it. All right.
I did it.
Abs. What was he supposed
Okay.
to do? Not screenshot it?
That's crazy.
That's true, actually. I
Is it?
forgot that was his big one.
Yeah. I was like, I
So
got
my big reels
screenshot.
are number
Guys,
9.
okay, that is what I got down to with, yeah, a bunch of crappy math, but whatever, it wasn't that bad. It's easier than multiplying it all the way out. So check out what I did. Product rule. Derivative first, 1 times the second.
That is not what I got.
First, derivative second, 3t minus 3
Where did I
equals
go
2.
wrong?
Equation has plus 1.
I'm gonna ruin my teeth.
Rats. Ugh.
Okay, wait. How did you get? Wait. What did you end
All
up
right,
with?
hold on.
What did you end up with?
Oh, that's even easier.
Yeah,
Mitchell,
yeah,
Mitchell,
okay,
Mitchell,
okay.
Mitchell,
You were
Mitchell,
making me
Mitchell,
doubt
Mitchell.
myself, Mitchell.
What did you get?
Miss
at the
Mitchell?
end? Because I
think
got
you
2
need another
minus 3
quarter on the square
times
jar
12,
today.
2 minus 12.
Okay.
Is that the right answer?
Shut up! That's what I got. Except minus 3.
Yeah, it would just be easier
All
to
right,
just.
I got that. Are we good with that? Emily, is that good for beads?
I legitimately
I just copied it down
do
wrong.
not know how you did that.
Okay, now my next derivative is going to be derivative of the first, second, plus first, derivative of second. And guys, I'm still going to factor out because it's going to help me simplify this a ton. Now, what can I factor out from each part?
There's a t minus 3 you can rip out of there.
Let's do that. What else?
2t minus 6
Well,
plus 14.
you can take it at 2.
Bigger.
Okay, I got that.
Minus.
4.5.
Oh, yeah,
Did I take out a 4? I'm going to take out, guys, I'm going to take out the 4 also.
Wait, is it minus 36 or am I dumb?
It's not minus 3. Are those my only two
you
choices?
can get 2t plus 1.
So then I get
I just can't.
2t plus 1.
2t right there. 2t.
Plus 1.
All right, would you let
Can
me?
we not take out the 4? Would it still be
Plus,
right?
no, yes, it would still be right. Plus t minus 3, so it's 3t minus 3.
Using your blanket.
Oh, wait, no.
Right?
I forgot there was a t minus 3 there left. Yeah. That would be correct.
Now do a sign line graph. Yeah. You can take the 3 out more, or just from there, but do a sign line graph.
That's the only thing I'm ever gonna give you, maybe.
Okay. So,
So many fuzzies on this shirt.
guys, very straightforward sign line graph. Very easy sign line graph, right? Let's test 0. Negative, negative, positive. Let's test 2. Negative, positive, negative. Let's test 4. Positive, positive, positive. What the heck is this even asking me? Acceleration positive, that's D. Woo!
Max, you did it.
That was rough.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Oh, none of my kids went to school today. It's calling me from all the different schools.
Why did none of your kids go to school?
I don't
They're getting
know.
Taco Bell, that's valid.
One's like sick, and the other one's like pretending to be sick, and it's just and the other one needed a day to sleep.
I need that too.
Okay, but that one has straight A's, so she's allowed to miss whenever she wants. All right. Then miss school, I don't care.
My parents don't let me.
My parents don't care as long as I end the term with A's. So
Exactly, me too. Okay, guys, turn to this one. We're just gonna do a few more, so I'm gonna pick out my faves. Turn to this one. Get an answer. Ready, set, go. Distance, time. Speed. Oh, speed.
Oh, this is literally easy peasy. Easiest question we've done all day.
speed count for
My mom is a good lady. She doesn't need you.
Is it though?
Yes. In which interval is there the greatest increase? Oh, decrease. Oh, yeah.
speed, then it's 100. How do we
There we go.
Wait, how is
Yeah, I forgot about that.
speed?
Therefore, 3 to 5.
This is very comfortable.
Soft.
don't care.
I already not even sure you're done.
I feel slightly less confident.
It's negligible. We can already tell from all the other ones.
It's already come back.
And so
Now you know why I like schedule.
you're thinking about too much.
Yeah, you're right. So guys, look, if I look at all the slopes, those are velocities, right?
Yeah.
Now, speed is absolute value of velocity.
You don't need to.
So it's this one.
You can tell.
That's what I said. She's like, oh, we have to do this.
Hey, but if you're explaining it to someone, in fact, if you're explaining to a class of students, are you just going to say you can tell?
Yes.
You're a terrible teacher.
I'm going to say big slopes is good answer.
That's Slopey Dolls. That's Slopey Dolls. We've done a crap ton of Slopey Dolls. If that and that.
Miss Mitchell, what was the answer?
3 to 5. 3 to 5. The absolute value slope was the biggest. Let's look at the question on the bottom because that looks tricky.
Oh, wow.
What one?
Whoa! Whoa! Yeah, that's what I did.
It looks crazy and it's not. Just see if you can understand what it's trying to say. It's actually a very easy problem.
test?
No.
Dang it.
Wait, I should probably look it up. Where is this? What page is this on, bro?
Boom, done. You guys got it?
No, wait.
Because I'm so smart, Ray. Sometimes I just have to flex on you guys to remind myself why I'm here.
Oh, so just saying we
I'm
got
not
that.
home with my feet. I'm watching TV or something.
Oh, and then two.
You should watch The Mandalorian.
Ah,
The second episode was so good.
I'm not a nerd, bro.
Yes, you are. You got a 5 on the BC.
I'm like a cool nerd, though. You're a
cool nerd.
Then
I'm
watch
like
The
a nerd.
Mandalorian.
Look, I can't play an instrument. I don't like Star Wars. I'm not good at it.
Well, that's because most of Star Wars is bad, except for The Mandalorian.
Actually,
I got it, Miss Mitchell.
You're a nerd, but you're not a geek.
okay, that's her.
Wait, so.
Aubrey's big moment. Aubrey.
Yes, Aubrey.
Okay, right now it says the limit is f as x approaches 0 and g approaches 0 gives me 0. So, Aubrey, what's that?
Do the derivatives, and it tells you the derivatives top, so you just plug those in, and then you multiply the derivatives.
This is a L'Hopital's question, guys.
Zero, and then you get 2 over 1.
This is a L'Hopital's question because it told me the functions of the limit, they were both 0. Which tells me L'Hopital's. Which tells me
Thank you.
f prime over g prime. Okay? Okay, now hold on. If I plug in 0, what's f prime? 1. If I plug in 0, what's g prime? 1/2.
Dude, this one's actually so good. What the? How'd you get it like that?
Yeah, that, yeah.
It's really stupid.
So, for that. Make sense?
The way you did it was funky, but yes.
Let's do this one with the A, B, C, D, E. Let's do it.
Which one?
I want F, G, H, I, J.
Okay, guys.
She means like the answer.
Hey, if we finish 15 minutes early, then you guys don't get your full points. Come on now. Let's go. We got this. Right? Okay. This is a velocity time graph.
Yeah, it's velocity. So if we want to do the
like me on
slope,
Where
it would be
is speed the greatest?
the speed between B
Wait,
and D.
no.
C.
Between
No.
B and D.
Oh wait, no. Speed is just gonna be.
Oh, this is a physics question. I should know this.
Yeah, it has to be D.
It's
What is speed?
Oh yeah, it is at D.
It's
What is this
D.
correct?
So absolute
particle's
value
not
of
moving, it's the
velocity is how far it is off the axis.
I just looked at the graph. I didn't read the question, so I thought that was.
I don't pay attention.
Okay, that one's fine. Oh, this is fine. We haven't done one like this yet. What are all values where the function is increasing? These are so fun, guys. Ready, set, go. Increasing.
What?
So positive derivative.
Wait, are you taking the derivative?
Yeah.
Yes? Okay.
Yeah, because what does increasing mean? Dallin, is this your deck of cards or the cards are all?
I don't have a deck of cards. I don't know what that is.
That deck of cards has been in your classroom for like 2
Equals
weeks.
0, therefore -1, -3.
You play Texas Hold'em.
Bitch, should I become a monk?
A what?
What does the U mean? I forgot what it means. Unison. It had
I'm gonna
something
drop
to do
out of
with-
high
Both,
school.
let's just both integrate together. Union.
Thank you, Mitch, for the permission to drop out of high school.
You're welcome.
So speak.
Well, we know
Is that right?
As long as you're happy.
And start
That's what I already is.
Am I going crazy?
except they're all so
Oh no, you still have to do a sign language.
You gotta do a sign line graph, right?
Sign language. It's D.
Just plug in the infinities up to that. If you put them in the top line, you see the
Ben. What Ben?
Wait, we plug into the original?
That's
or
about it.
That makes something.
Right. So
I don't know, Ben knows the government.
Then we search Buddhist monasteries.
Go. So you can't just look and be like, oh, well.
Hey Mitch, do you want to be a part of our gang?
What game?
Gang.
Gang?
Yeah,
What kind of
we're gonna start a Buddhist monastery.
Do I have to get jumped in?
No, you can just join.
You know what's
Start a
really
terrorist
cool?
organization that blows up the Buddhist monastery.
No.
Oh, guys, I like this
Our
question.
Buddhist monastery is secretly
Okay. Guys, 2 questions down. Raise of a sphere. Down, I'll raise you. And your mic is sick.
So the radius, so dr,
We'll give you a discount.
2. How much is volume? Volume is pi.
I'm 100,000 per
You get that?
pound. Use 50% off. It's a pretty good deal.
dt when r
Use the money
equals
on
10.
Oh,
So that means we have 2.
Hey, guys, listen up.
We will take it.
In order to do this, you need to know what formula. What formula do you need to know? What's the volume of the sphere?
I beat you, right?
4/3 pi r cubed.
I said that.
Did I beat you?
Alright, new weapon.
Yeah, because that's like
I think that was pretty quick.
what'd you get? Let's just make sure you're right.
Oh, 4/3?
Oh, you're so
Oh,
wrong.
it says sphere, not circle. Okay, but if it was a circle,
Nope, doesn't matter. You're wrong.
You're so bad.
I'm going to amputate your nostrils.
Why his nostrils?
You just have a passion.
Hey, Dylan.
Oh my god!
Okay.
Did
Did you get it?
I just said it's probably D as a guess, and then you circled it right after I said that.
Amazing. Guys,
Sometimes
volume.
spheres and circles just look
Hey,
If you
down.
have a question to me,
If it's a cubic, it's got an r and a cube. Also, the derivative of volume is surface area.
guys, you don't understand.
Surface area cubed is 4 pi r squared.
There's 2 800.
It is? That's actually good.
Pretty sick, huh? All right, guys.
Because
Listen. So it's 4 pi r squared dRdt. 4 pi 10 squared times 2, which was 800 pi. Okay?
See, I'm so
10
smart.
squared is 100. Did you do
So
20?
smart.
Aye.
I love how I literally solved and I didn't even need to do the stupid area.
Next question, the position of the particle, because you guys, I really want you to get this right. Okay? I really want you to get this right.
I feel really dumb.
I don't know, I made the packet really long. We're not getting wrong.
It's kind of concerning how bad I feel right now.
So's the one who didn't put his.
Okay. Guys, I want you to find. Actually, let me ask you, what are you looking for in this problem?
The lifelong soul.
Guys, what is the formula for average velocity?
4/3 pi r cubed minus the integral. This is unit 4. We don't do integral.
Oh yeah, this is unit 4.
Because you know, however you like.
Right, that what we're doing is a integral velocity. Oh, yeah. Well, okay, fine. In unit 4, what do we call average velocity? The slope. V of B minus V of A over V minus A.
Yeah, I was like, it's not the same thing. I mean, it is.
But it is, right?
It is, but it's not.
Well, actually, you integrate.
Which is why I'm ever.
You integrate acceleration. You integrate acceleration. But yeah, you're right. Unit 4, we haven't learned that yet. So average velocity, if I plug in E, so it's ln E minus ln 1 over E minus 1.
1 minus 0. 1.
What's ln E minus 0 over E?
And they cross out the and then we get 10 over
over EI, actually.
Oh, no, that'd be EL. 10 over
And then also,
That's not how this works.
Wait, it was.
Yeah.
Well, 1 in 5. 1 in 5.
I don't know. Max's odds are more like.
Okay, here we go.
Have you seen it?
This question.
I was so good at guessing.
Guys, we haven't done any implicit differentiation today. Shall we do it? Shall we end with this question?
Wait, where?
Let's do it.
Let's do this. This is like my favorite stuff.
We have 8.
It just look like the next page. Yeah, the next page over. For what values of x does the curve have horizontal tangent line? It's implicit, and you have to know what a horizontal tangent line is.
Second interval would be 0. First one is.
Especially math.
So, f prime prime equals 0. But first we gotta do some sketchy math. 2y dy dt minus 3x.
Weston, you don't exist. You don't exist, so yes.
I'm gonna say no. No, but it's dx, so it's dy.
That's all gonna be hopping around.
Did I change diapers for half time?
Weston is in love with you.
What?
He's in love with
Alright. Lydia! Did you already do it?
No, sorry.
The answer
Yeah?
is B.
Go on, we're focusing all the way until 6:30.
I'm here.
The answer is B. That's my wild guess.
That would be true, actually.
This one? You can either do L'Hopital or you can do conjugate. Which way did you try? Did you try L'Hopital?
And it just kept giving me.
Well, what you have to know is x approaching B is a constant.
Answer D. Oh, wait, you mean not.
And so the derivative constant is 0, so it'll be negative 1 over, and then that's 1 over 2 root x, and then that's 0. And so it's negative 1 over 1 over 2 root b. So it's negative 2 root b. Yeah, but you have to know that. Like, it won't give you a limit where it's going from a variable to a variable.
You didn't say anything.
Where is it? Oh, I thought I was like,
Alright,
I got it.
did you?
Yeah.
Alright, put your hats in the ring. What do you guys think it is?
B.
F.
B.
It's C.
A.
Hey, that's what I guessed.
F.
It's D.
Are you copying me, bro?
I didn't even hear you.
She's copying my answer. She's cheating.
600. George Washington.
Hey, I got that.
Guys, what's the horizontal
The
tangent line?
15th president. Abraham. Yeah.
Top equals 0.
Oh, the top. Yeah, because you can't have the bottom
After what it's
because
worth, I got
bad.
that and then quit. So, I mean, that's all I got.
Joe! D is the correct answer.
Let's go.
No, wait, go back. Wait.
Isaac said tell Weston.
That's 10.
Yeah. Okay.
What?
As, now you don't have to do any of these other multiple choice unless you're just really bored and you want to, but as with the rest of the packets, turn a page where it says Unit 4, there's 20 questions. If you do those 20 questions, work and everything, you will get another 10 points aside from just the ones for being here.
Does it matter if we get them right or not?
Yeah, because I'm going to give you the answers right now to check.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so
It's C. Wait, please tell me it was C.
so far, We have done units 1, 2, 3, and 4. These are the answers. Guys, if you just sit and circle the answers and try to hand it to me, do you think I'm going to give you points for that?
No.
No. Do you think I can tell if you actually did the work or not?
No.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes, I can.
No.
I mean, yes, I can.
When
Wait,
did
Mitchell.
I think I
Actually, look at what our words say.
Sometimes. I spot check it.
Like, write a bunch of